This is a mini shelf for picture frames. So instead of hanging your pictures up on a wall, you put them on this shelf. Here's a side view to kind of give you an idea how it works. You put your picture frame in, it leans up against this front lip and then leans back against the wall and stays in position. The backboard is a 1x4 and so is the bottom down here. Now the front though was originally a furring strip that was 1.5 inches wide. I trimmed it down a little bit on each side to smooth it down and made it to about 1.25. Now if you look at the bottom here, all the way across, and I'll flip it up, you can see the back as well. I do not have any fasteners seen because I wanted to minimize that appearance, so I ended up gluing everything together so it'll look a lot nicer. To hold this to the wall, I'm just going to have a couple of screws going through this backboard, making sure to hit studs. The new owners said they don't care if there's some screws seen because it's just going to be covered up by the picture frames. If by chance you don't want any of the screws seen, you could always do some specialty fasteners on the back of the board here. Just make sure that whatever it's attached to is all the way into the stud in the wall. If you like the color, I used a Varathane classic penetrating wood stain oil that's gun stock. I have 2 coats of this, and then I used the polyurethane clear satin and I have 2 coats of this. Also, if you plan on staining your wood, make sure to remove all glue residue from all of your little joints here, otherwise they will discolor. And here's one last side view of the picture frame shelf. I hope you get a chance to build one.